Sony Week is running till the 8th of June, and that means more Sony mobile content on its way for you over on our sister channel, Direct Mobiles. There you'll find a comparison video between the XZ1 and the XZ2, a video on why we think you should consider Sony phones in 2018, and an XZ2 camera and video special, including some nice Sony super slow motion analysis. So check it out at the Direct Mobiles YouTube channel. Also, you can win a Sony Xperia XZ2. Just look for the link in the video description below. And just remember that the competition is open till 11:59 PM British time on the 15th of June 2018. And of course, throughout Sony Week, you'll get incredible deals over at directmobiles.co.uk. And all Sony phones are on a special promotion. Check out the link in the video description below. And if you're in the market for a new Sony, you'll absolutely love their deals. I loved my time both with the XZ2 and the XZ2 Compact. And if you saw my video featuring the XZ1, you'll know that I love that too. There's just something different about Sony phones. It's refreshing and nice to see. Sony has a good reputation for improving their phones and keeping them fresh through software updates. So I think the camera and video abilities will continue to improve. While I love the previous Omnibalance design language, the new ambient flow design is growing on me more and more by the day. We still don't know what's going on with the XZ2 Premium or if it's coming to the UK, but if it is, we'll do our best to get our hands on one and give it the Btekt video treatment. If you want to see that, hit the thumbs up button and make sure you're subbed and hit that notification bell. If you've got any questions about the current lineup of Sony phones, let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll leave you with the XZ2, which is the current prize in our giveaway, and some nice looking shots of this beautiful phone. Let me know what you think in the comment sections below. This is Btekt, and I will see you next time.
Twin 2 Productions.